Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Pace Car. Now if you got any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Corvette, and then we'll get it around there and on a lift and out on the highway as well. Now this was the 25th year that the Corvette was in production, so here on the front you'll notice we got the 25th anniversary callouts. You'll also notice that we got the two-tone paint scheme, which was offered for the first time since 1961. As we come on around the driver's side, you'll notice that these body lines flow beautifully here from the front to the rear. You'll also notice that your gaps at the door are even and symmetrical, and then we've got the glass T-tops. But before we go on around the outside, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here on the inside. As you can see, this car is accented by the silver interior color combination, which is a beautiful complement to the exterior color scheme. Looking across the dash, you can see that everything looks factory like it would have when it come new in '78. As we come on around, you'll notice that we got power windows along with power door locks, and that the door panels along with the carpet and the contoured sport seats are in great condition. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how great that door shuts and fits. And as we come across the back, you'll notice that we have the rear spoiler to go along with the front spoiler, and then you can notice this red pinstripe runs all the way around and back down the passenger side. As you come around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so that way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this car is. You'll notice that we got the official Pace Car callouts here on the door, and that this black and silver paint scheme has a gorgeous shine to it, and that we got the factory style Corvette rims with the Goodyear white letter tires. If you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Corvette. Here under the hood, it features the numbers matching 350 engine. You'll also notice that it's got the factory AC along with the power steering and the power brakes. Now this engine bay is in great condition and looks like it would have whenever it was new on the showroom floor in '78. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Corvette, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this vet around there so that way you can take a look underneath it, and then we'll get it out on the highway as well. Now that we have this Corvette on a rack, we can take a closer look at the frame, floors, and the driveline. As we move under it, you can see that it all appears to have been excellently cared for over the years, and that the floors and the frame all appear to be stock and in great condition. Now under the front, you can see that all of the bushing and ball joints are in good condition, and that the matching numbers 350 engine is mated to the numbers matching turbo 350 trans that goes out to the correct rear end with a 308 gear. For exhaust, it has a stock style system with the rear mufflers and tailpipes having been changed. Now before we get this vet down and on the highway, I want us to take another close look at the floors and the frame.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.